Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making a quick banana pudding that only takes 5 to 10 minutes to prepare, and it's a way to turn bananas that are about to spoil into a delicious dessert. Here we've used 2 bananas, almost a cup of crushed Digestive brand biscuits, 2 tablespoons of dried coconut flakes, 170 grams of clotted cream, also known as qeshta, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of dried dates powder. Vanilla extract and syrup are optional. Let's start by mashing our bananas in a bowl, then we'll be adding the clotted cream to the bananas and mixing them very well. I use dates powder to sweeten the pudding and to give it a hint of date flavor, but if you don't have that, sweeten using any syrup you like, or icing sugar or honey. Stay away from granulated sugar or brown sugar because they will not melt with your banana pudding very well, and then you might just start crunching on them as you're eating. And that's not a nice sensation. So I would suggest maybe honey or syrup, and if you want the dates flavor, mash up some dates and mix them in there with the pudding. Don't forget to give it a taste and see if you want to add more sweetener or any other flavor. Set aside, then in a pan on medium heat, add a small square of butter, then add in your biscuit crumbs to mix and toast them until they look like wet sand, and then remove. Now this following step is optional, but I personally love the flavor of toasted coconut flakes in my pudding, so in a pan on medium heat, add the desired amount of coconut flakes you want and then toast them, making sure to constantly stir so that they don't burn to a crisp. Start to assemble your pudding in a glass or a jar, and I like to use old jam jars because I can seal them shut and easily grab a jar to go from the fridge. Start with a bottom of biscuit crumbs, a layer of banana pudding, more biscuit crumbs, more banana pudding, then top it off with toasted coconut, and that's it. Or you could just assemble it any way you like because I'm not the boss of you. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!